First question. The best conductor of heat among liquids is option A water, option B mercury, option C either, option D alcohol. Correct answer is option B mercury. Second one. The layer of the atmosphere which reflects audio waves back to the earth is called option A stratosphere, option B troposphere, option C ionosphere, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option C ionosphere. Third question. An object weight maximum in option A air, option B water, option C hydrogen, option D vacuum. Correct answer is option D vacuum. Next question. The work done in holding a weight of 25 kg at height of 1 m above the ground is option A 0, option B 25 J, option C 2500 J, option D none of above. Correct answer is option A 0. Fifth question. If there were no atmosphere, the length of the day would option A decrease, option B remain unaffected, option C increase, option D be almost half. Correct answer is option B remain unaffected. Next question. Children, especially in Western country who receive very little sunshine, suffer from option A rickets, option B dermatitis, option C scurvy, option D sterility. Correct answer is option A rickets. Seventh question. The substances that is added to make natural rubber strong and more bouncy is option A polythene, option B sponge, option C sulfur, option D chlorine. Correct answer is option C sulfur. Eighth question. The human body contains the maximum amount of option A proteins, option B water, option C fats, option D plasma. Correct answer is option B water. Ninth question. Endoscopy, a technique used to explore the stomach or other inner parts of the body, is based on the phenomenon of option A total internal reflection, option B interference, option C diffraction, option D polarization. Correct answer is option A total internal reflection. 10th question. Registers are high-speed memory elements situated in the option A memory, option B CPU, option C I/O unit, option D ROM or EPROM. Correct answer is option B CPU. 11th one. The adult human skeleton consists of option A 204 bones, option B 206 bones, option C 208 bones, option D 214 bones. Correct answer is option B 206 bones. 12th one. India 2020, a vision for the new millennium has been written by option A Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, option B Michael Spence, option C Vikram Seth, option D V.S. Naipaul. Correct answer is option A Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. 13th one. The partition of Bengal in 1905 was responsible for the growth of a movement known as option A Vande Mataram, option B Swadeshi, option C Purna Swaraj, option D Quiet India. Correct answer is option B Swadeshi. 14th one. The establishment of the Mughal administration on the ideas and principles different from Sultans of Delhi was mainly the work of option A Akbar, option B Babur, option C Jahangir, option D Shah Jahan. Correct answer is option A Akbar. 15th one. Which of the following posts is not mentioned in the Constitution of India? Option A, the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Option B, the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Option C, the Deputy Speaker for the State of Assemblies. Option D, the Deputy Prime Minister. The correct answer is option D, the Deputy Prime Minister.